Heads Pro tutorial for 3D drive-through by using the software UCWin/Road by Formate. The land drawings as DXF and folder work 3 containing the MS Excel file landrecords.xlsx are to be present on the desktop or any other location which are to be selected by the user, and their copies will be brought in the project folder inside the working folder. Refer to Heads Pro main screen help contents and follow the path for details of input data. Users Module Major Options of Heads Pro Principal Major Options Utilities Export as Land XML. Step 1. Open the main screen of Heads Pro, by double-clicking on the desktop icon. Select Menu Item File, select Working Folder. Step 2. User may browse and select the folder work as it exists on the desktop or any other location in the PC/laptop, or create and select as the working folder. Step 3. Select the menu item file New/Open Project Workspace Highway Design Suite New/Open Uniform Section Highway Design Project. Step 4. Project Workspace opens for Uniform Section Highway Design. Click on button Browse under the Open Project. Step 5. Open Project selection box comes. Select the project as Tutorial Uniform Section Highway Design.html. Click on button OK. Step 6. The design is opened. The message comes confirming that the file is opened successfully. Click on OK. Step 7. Open the tab page 3D drive-through. The buttons on the left side are for Notes, Notepad, Tutorial Guide, and Tutorial Video. The right side buttons are for various processes. Step 8. Click on button Open Note. Step 9. The RTF file opens. User may read the note and may take a printout. Copy the data under Step 1 or from Example 200.1 in Heads Pro main screen help is Heads 1400 Sim Layout 1401 Design Model equals Design String equals M001 Desk equals Project Road. Finish. Step 10. Click on button Open Notepad. As Notepad opens, paste the data and save the file as Example 200.1.txt at any location in the computer. Similarly, copy other data under STEP2, STEP3, and STEP4, or from Example 200.2.1.txt, Example 200.3.txt and Example 200.5.txt, in Heads Pro main screen help and paste each data in Notepad, and save as separate files with names of each example data. Step 11. Click on button Select Survey Data File and make Survey Gen file. Step 12. Select Total Station Survey Data File Survey.txt. Click on button Open. Step 13. The Total Station Survey Data file is selected and it is opened in Notepad. Close Notepad. Step 14. The dialog box comes. Click on button Make Feature Continuous and write to Gen file. Step 15. The Process dialog box comes. Click on button Proceed. Step 16. As the process finishes, the survey.gen file is created. Message comes. Click on OK. Step 17. Click on button Select User Input Data File. Step 18. The selection box comes. Select the saved file Example 200.1.txt from any location in the computer. Click on button Open. Step 19. The file Example 200.1.txt is selected and it is also opened in Notepad. Close Notepad. Step 20. The message comes. Click on OK. Step 21. Click on button Run Program to create XML file. Step 22. The Process dialog box comes. Step 23. Click on button Export Alignment as XML. Step 24. The Next Process dialog box comes. Click on button Proceed. Step 25. As the process is over, message comes informing that in the project folder the output is created as alignment.xml file, click on OK. Step 26, click on button select user input data file. Step 27, select the file example 200.2.1.txt, click on button open. Step 28, the user input data file example 200.2.1.txt, is selected, it is opened in Notepad, close the Notepad. Step 29, the message comes, click on OK. Step 30, click on button Run Program to create XML file. Step 31, the process dialog box comes. Step 32, click on button Export Triangulation as XML. Step 33, the next process dialog box comes, click on button Proceed. Step 34, as the process is over, message comes informing that, in the project folder the output is created as triangulation.xml file, click on OK. Step 35, click on button select user input data file. Step 36, select the file example 200.3.txt, click on button open. Step 37, the user input data file example 200.3.txt, is selected, it is opened in Notepad, close the Notepad. Step 38, the message comes, click on OK. Step 39, click on button Run Program to create XML file. Step 40, the process dialog box comes. Step 41, click on button Export Design Surface as XML. Step 42, the next process dialog box comes, click on button Proceed. Step 43, as the process is over, message comes informing that, in the project folder the output is created as design_sec.xml, ogl_left_sec.xml and ogl_right_sec.xml files, click on OK. Step 44, click on button select user input data file. Step 45, select the file example 200.5.txt, click on button open. Step 46, the user input data file example 200.5.txt, is selected, it is opened in Notepad, close the Notepad. Step 47, the message comes, click on OK. Step 48, click on button Run Program to create XML file. Step 49, the process dialog box comes. Step 50, click on button Export Ground Surface as XML. Step 51, the next process dialog box comes, click on button Proceed. Step 52, as the process is over, message comes informing that, in the project folder the output is created as ground_sec.xml file, click on OK. Step 53, click on button Run UCWin/road. Step 54, the main screen of UCWin/road opens, select menu item Tools Import Land XML. Step 55, the import dialog box comes, use the open icon at left top corner as shown. Step 56, as the selection box comes, select file alignment.xml, click on button open. Step 57, once again use the open icon at left top corner as shown. Step 58, the selection box comes, select file triangulation.xml, click on button open. Step 59, click on button import as new. Step 60, the dialog box comes as shown below. Step 61, put check mark to select all the 3 items in the list, click on button keep them all. Step 62, at the lower part of the box start and end are displayed, click on button done at the top right side. Step 63, select menu edit, and then select the menu item edit layout in plan view. Step 64, the display screen appears, click on button Done. Step 65, a message comes, please wait. Step 66, the screen is displayed as below, click on the icon as shown by red color arrow. Step 67, the dialog box comes for driver instructions as shown, accept the parameters and click on OK. Step 68, the drive-through starts for the designed roads. Step 69, as the drive-through is finished, close the window by clicking on the X at right top corner. In this tutorial the trial version of UC-Win/Road is used. This the end of the session for Heads Pro tutorial for 3D drive-through by using the software UC-Win/Road by Forum 8.